voice of life. I knocked on the door of hope, found a light that never fades. Price Rwanda TV is the voice calling everyone to rise and grow. We may not have much, but we've got heart, wisdom, dreams, and burning fire. Together we build tomorrow's path. In our voice, love speaks louder. Price Rwanda TV, the voice of life, calling youth to rise and shine. From nothing we reach our dreams. We are the light, we are the We speak of knowledge, of progress, of dreams that lift our nation high. We are the voice of those who start alone, but dream beyond the sky. We're not just a channel, we're a movement of change makers.